Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check and track all of your class and weapon unlocks in Battlefield 6 on any platform. Let's get started. So here from the Battle 6 home screen, move to the Challenges tab located at the top of the screen. Then on the left sidebar, scroll down and select Assignments. Then look to the right to view Weapon Unlock Requirements, Class Upgrade Task, your progress for each assignment. Here you can exactly what you need to unlock new weapons, gadgets, and class upgrades. For example, Assault class may require earning 10,000 points and getting kills while using the Adrenaline Injector. You can track unlocks in game. While you're in a match, you can also track assignments live, like the PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. Your assignment goals will appear at the top of the screen, helping you to stay focused, whether it's earning a long range headshot kills or completing support tasks. And that's it. You know how to find and track all your weapon and class unlocks in Battlefield 6. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.